Okay, round 2. We're gonna try and find the chick again.
Try not to die this time.
Did you up the fraps to 60?
No.
Oh.
Do we have
Can
to
they see my mouse on the record?
Yep. Yeah. Do we have to go through the tutorial again, or can we just look for her?
You can just hit the P button.
You can just go. The tutorial will pop up, but you don't.
Okay,
you can
we're just gonna
ignore
look for the sister.
It has no power over us.
You can't control us, game. You can't tell us what to do. Hey, kid, you can't skate here.
Hey, kid, you can't skate here.
You can't tell me what to do.
From ASDF.
You know how many times I've heard that with parkour?
Nice.
Got kicked out of so many.
I bet it's that way.
I'm a liability. Okay, my mouse is not going right. Can I like
not go right or?
maybe like go way
You
left?
probably hit the edge of the screen.
Yeah, I can't go any further that way. Okay, that's probably not the right way then.
Nope. Oh, don't fall.
Okay.
Ah, rug burn. Really bad rug burn. What the heck? That's gotta be painful. Maybe that's how she sharpens her horn.
Just running around with your head like this.
It makes like spark noises. Are we going the right way? I'm gonna. No, it's like the Lion King, where he's running back to Simba's whatever Pride Rock, and it's like doing that. Doom. It's not kind
Trying
of
to
noise.
read you.
To the right. Oh no, don't go that way. We went that way last time.
But we also went straight. There was also a left turn.
Oh, we're gonna take the left. Just go through it.
Nah, I gotta blow it up.
Oh, that's cheating.
Okay.
Oh, that's cheating.
You didn't want
Let's
to.
go.
I feel like
Lame.
that's
Do it
not-
again. Do it again.
that was lightning, wasn't it?
That's fireball. Use your punk rock head jam. The power of the metal headbang move. I love metal. Good. Now she's derping out, or she's like,
You got it stuck. Oh, okay.
is she like trying to hump the blocks? I'm a little confused with what's happening. I can charge it up longer than that, I think. Feel like right next to it.
Nope, wrong one. This is the one that was successful.
Whoa, that was teleport.
That was teleporting. That's not even. Oh, that's it.
Oh, that's fun. What was that one? What did you do?
I think that was like the regular force. It was CG maybe.
Oh wait, this is a different way. Oh yeah,
No, I
that's
went
the
that way.
dangerous way. Don't go that way. Ooh, more balls. That's good. I feel like the balls are the answer.
They are the answer.
Oh, dude.
Oh, follow the balls. Okay. Don't laugh.
I don't get it. Why are we following the balls?
Just he's saying, I don't know. They just probably are there for a reason. So they probably just like follow where they're
They're
at.
there for a reason.
Follow
What if we
them.
need to collect them all and bring it to her?
So sure. Maybe that's it. You have to get all of them in the entire map and push them to her.
There's one ball. What? That's a
No.
dead end.
Maybe if I go through the wall.
Sharpen your horns to me. Wait, which way did you come
I
from?
have to get a pickup soccer game going.
Goal! Balls.
They have to have a purpose.
You lied to us, DJ Shadow.
You lied to me.
You lied.
I said they have a purpose.
Manly.
Friendship is manly.
I love that
please
video.
no. I don't know what I think about that.
Dude, it's
so
so
weird.
It's good, and then you get the part where
It's
the guy
like
starts
just,
rolling
oh
on the
my
ground in the
gosh.
chocolate.
Oh yeah,
so
where they get to
fantastic.
like where they're at the
Pinky
party.
starts-
Yeah, that's the part where I just get downright.
Pinky-
Just like
I'm running in a
gosh.
circle.
Pinky guy just starts running. Pinky guy.
Pinky guy.
Pinky guy. That's a good one. I don't have one for rarity. Pinky guy.
And then like the
Flutter guy is the best.
second one when they're at the school, and like the
Dude.
three girls with the whatever things walk in,
sirens.
and like when they stand up, they're like, oh. It was so funny.
Dude, it's seriously one of the greatest videos ever. Why are we so lost? Ball, shoot one. Okay. Shoot that one. That one's gonna say, hey, CG.
With how simple this is, it's actually a really good puzzle.
Yeah!
There's 2 puzzles.
Oh,
well, we can't even
are we
figure out the
supposed to
first
be
one.
doing? We can't even figure out that we're supposed to be doing a puzzle.
We're just trying to find this chick. What's that? Is that where we came in?
I don't think so. Maybe it might be. Is it? I don't know.
I don't know, is it?
Is it there? Oh, is it? Or
Should I go this way?
Is it?
You tell me, Avery.
I don't know. Yep, it is. No, that's the right way. We were going the right way. This is the right way. Wait, this is where we. I think this is where we entered.
It's a struggle.
Wall or something. I don't get it.
It's in here.
Seriously, what is
She's in one of the balls.
what is the one thing that you have encountered that was curious, but you haven't explored yet? Seriously, do you people play games?
The gigantic hole was kind of suspicious.
Oh
we encountered
my
it and
gosh.
Are you
died.
talking about the giant gap in the ground that I fell into and died and didn't want to
This
go
is
back
what
to?
this is where we just came from.
I mean, the whole, oh look, that ball literally just rolled over nothing and then it fell off.
Are we supposed to
What?
Are we supposed to like stack?
I told you, the balls
Supposed
are
to
the
get-
key.
Push the balls into the
That's
hole.
what I was.
Push the balls into the hole.
Let's try it.
Push the balls into the hole. That's painful. Boo. I don't have to censor myself. I can say whatever I want. Push them into the hole. No.
The balls are sort of annoying to push around. They have so much inertia.
No.
Oh my gosh, what kind of inertia is this? It goes the complete wrong way.
When I don't even touch it. Okay, how do I?
What is even going on? Oh, there it goes. Hit it, hit it, hit it.
Come on.
Play soccer.
There.
Now, see, here's your soccer game. Poke it. Hit it again. No! you did it that way.
No.
Hit it that way. Use a fireball or something to push it. Don't use your horn. No!
No.
See?
What the heck?
Can you just levitate it?
Can you, like...
What was levitate?
Is that the right button?
No, you're firing the wrong way! You're making the wrong progress.
No.
It's not moving. Can you levitate it?
I can try.
I don't know if you can levitate those, actually.
We're about to find out. G.
Okay.
And then you gotta hold it up.
I don't know if I need to hold it or just click it. Do I have it?
You're moving it.
Do I have it? Can I like?
Did you click on it?
No. Okay, you're gonna have to play soccer. What the?
I'm not even.
He's not even touching this ball.
What is this?
She's inside this ball. She's just throwing it so hard.
I think that ball was just trolling you.
He's mega.
That's really
All
weird.
right. Play soccer. You gotta like read its moves.
Golden.
No, I got you.
What the heck? Maybe these balls are like programmed to like try and stay away from you or something.
It's okay, little ball. It's okay.
I think I still have them in my
No
grasp.
need to be scared. Go around it and like try and.
Golden.
Oh, there you go. If it wants to hit you in the face, just keep letting it hit you in the face and then push it in.
Do I not have them in my grip?
No.
Golden.
You can't levitate it. You totally can't levitate. Just go get a different ball. This ball sucks. Get that one. That looks like a nice ball. See?
There we
You
go.
poked it the wrong
I
way.
kicked it out into the open.
Yeah, there you go. Oh.
What?
This is so stupid!
What the heck? There's gotta be some sort of anomaly that's doing that. That's weird.
They're just under our stage with a mag. Wait, just let it see what it does. Don't hit it. Just let it.
No, I
just
just
let
want
it
to
go.
see.
Oh, maybe they're supposed to do that.
Should I follow it?
What? It's an invisible ledge. Use a light. Use your light. I think it's F.
Flavescent.
Okay, well, it's an invisible ledge then. We have to see how far it goes and teleport the rest of the way, I think. That's my guess.
Should I just try walking out on it?
We don't know how far it goes.
I don't know. Should I? Should I just go for it?
If you want,
I don't want to die again.
you're at a different...
Should I?
You're already like halfway onto it! Ah! Go straight, don't go at an angle. Keep going, keep going. We have plenty of more
I
room,
don't
I
know how
think.
far to go.
I don't either, that's why we have to go get another ball.
Well, why don't you use something to help you know when to jump?
Another ball.
Well, who says you have to use a ball? The balls are the
Use a fireball!
I wonder if that ledge, like right there.
Is there like a mirror? There's a mirror! Look up, look up. Oh, never mind.
What? Oh, that was my light?
Did you just break that?
I don't know.
Golden.
We're going through the ledge. We can see through the wall.
Golden.
We're just gonna have to guess. I guess. Keep going. Keep going. We're not even in teleport range yet. When you think you can make it in teleport range, then stop.
I don't know what my teleport range is.
Keep going, keep going. I feel like...
Oh, this is so suspenseful.
This is the worst game ever!
Should I just go for it from here? No.
No, we can't go all the way.
It's like the worst guessing game.
Alright, stop!
Oh.
I'd say a couple more feet. I'm scared. This is so dangerous. There's no way to tell.
Oh, it's gotta be close.
Don't go that way. You're gonna fall off the right side of the edge.
Is there a right side of the edge?
Yeah, totally, probably.
Totally, probably.
Well, when we teleported, there was.
I'm so
I feel like Fluttershy right now. Oh my gosh.
Man.
I don't think you can make it from there. Keep going. We're like pushing our luck so bad.
Should I just go for it from here?
I don't think you can make it.
My perception is all screwed up.
This is so backwards! Oh, stop! Don't go any... You were starting to say, don't go any farther.
Okay.
What's the teleport button? CF, CF.
Okay.
And then like hit the wall, like hit like hit,
Where?
right, go this way a little bit.
Here?
Nope. Just go that way.